This project transformed a charming but compact London townhouse into a symphony of contemporary living for a music-loving homeowner. While preserving the house's historical character, the design aimed to create a bright, spacious, and acoustically friendly space that seamlessly blended indoor and outdoor living, culminating in a rooftop crescendo. Harmonious Living, the traditional layout, gave way to an open-plan melody on the ground floor. The kitchen, encased in a semi-transparent glass box, led the way into a flowing living area that embraced the rear garden. This movement of space reflected a focus on continuity, offering a study in flexibility and compression and expansion. Rehearsal ready, the heart of the home, positioned at the intersection of the rectangular footprint and a triangular service area, became a versatile haven for both music and daily life. A clever storage unit served multiple functions, transforming into a WC, dining table bench, and even a bar. When rehearsal time arrived, the dining table easily shifted aside, making space for the homeowner's musical passions. A circular skylight bathed this central space in natural light, softening the lines and shadows while offering a peek at the verdant rooftop garden above. Rooftop oasis, accessible by a bespoke steel staircase, the expansive roof terrace offered a unique open-air sanctuary. Its LEED and sustainable decking provided a platform for relaxation and entertaining, while a planter-integrated staircase and irrigation system ensured the green roof flourished. Traces of the past. Throughout the project, respect for the building's history remained a key note. The exposed brick chimney in the master bedroom served as a subtle reminder of the house's past, adding a touch of character and warmth to the contemporary space. Material symphony. The material palette played a crucial role in achieving both tranquility and acoustic comfort. Light oak floors, matching joinery, and rough lime plaster created a calming foundation on the ground floor. Scattered accents of green marble highlighted key areas, while the reclaimed brick exterior paid homage to the Mullen Plain houses by Tony Fretton Architects. Sustainable crescendo. Sustainability resonated throughout the project. Insulation upgrades to the ground floor and roof, along with the installation of double-glazed windows, ensured energy efficiency. The rooftop wildflower haven not only enhanced the building's aesthetics but also contributed to local biodiversity and reduced the risk of flooding. This project transformed a traditional townhouse into a modern masterpiece, perfectly harmonizing the homeowner's love for music with the need for a comfortable and contemporary living space. It is a testament to the power of design to create a truly unique and personal home that resonates with its inhabitants. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.